Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many of us face, having sound but no picture on our Toshiba TV screen. But fear not, because I've got some troubleshooting tips to help you get your picture back in no time. So you're hearing the sound but not seeing anything on your screen. First things first, let's check the basics. Unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Sometimes a simple power cycle can do wonders, but be patient here and wait the whole 60 seconds. Then plug it back in to see if your picture returns. Still no luck? Don't worry, we've got more tricks up our sleeves. Next, grab a flashlight and shine it directly onto the screen. If you see a faint image or shadows, chances are your TV's backlight is the culprit. If this is the case, you may need to replace a backlight, which can be a bit more involved. Consider reaching out to a professional technician for their assistance. Another possible issue could be your video input cables. Check to make sure that they are securely connected to your TV and your external devices like cable boxes or gaming consoles are also plugged in. Unplug each cable and then plug it back in. Sometimes a loose connection can cause a picture to drop out while leaving the sound intact. If that doesn't work, try cycling through the sources on the TV to see whether it's just the one input that's affected or if the picture is missing across all of the inputs. Along with cycling through the sources, check the settings on the device that is connected to the TV sources. There may be a switch or a button that turns its different inputs on and off. Another easy troubleshooting method would be to plug the TV into a different wall outlet altogether. Sometimes you might have a faulty outlet that could be causing issues to your TV. Well, there you have it, folks. A few simple troubleshooting tips to help you fix your TV when you've got sound but no picture. Now remember, patience is the key, and if all else fails, don't hesitate to seek out to the manufacturer for help. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.